Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our pre-cut headlight tint. But what you might not know is that Bogart Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogarttechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Hyundai Ioniq 9, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the front lens looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good to go. However, if you still have any wax, oils, grease, or any coating on the lens, you can use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So just grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens. And with the clean microfiber towel, remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have. And then once we're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. Okay, so we're going to start with piece number 1, which is this long piece that covers the front section of the lens. So make sure when you have it folded like this. Make sure the adhesive is not touching against each other. So just grab your slip solution, spray it onto the adhesive side of the film and to the lens, and just be careful when you're placing the film onto the lens. Make sure it doesn't touch the ground, and just carefully place it on the lens. So once you place the film onto the lens, we're going to start by aligning it on one end. So make sure you have it aligned, and then spray tack solution underneath, and then tag it down with your squeegee. And we're just going to work section by section, making sure we keep the film aligned. And just bring all the solution to the other end. And once you finish tagging down most of the front panel here, you will need to stretch the film on the other side because it will end somewhere around here. So we just need to stretch it just a little bit to reach to the other edge on that end. And once we finish stretching, we just tag it down and make sure it doesn't try to go back to its original form. So just do a light stretch until you reach it to the edge, and then just use your squeegee to tag it down. And make sure everything stays aligned too. Okay, so once you finish tagging down everything for this entire section of the headlight, if you do have any fingers around the edges, just apply tack solution to where you see those fingers. And you're going to use a heat gun. You can also use a hair dryer. Apply heat, use the lowest setting. Make sure you spread the heat evenly. That way it will help shrink the fingers. And then with our squeegee, we're just going to help it tag down. And then once we're done tagging down and removing the fingers, we can move on with this section here. Okay, now for this piece here, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And since we're working on the driver's side section, we're going to make sure we just grab the driver's side piece and place it onto the lens. So with this one, it just covers the face of the front section of the lens. The reason why I'm saying that is because there is like a small curve going inside the headlight lens here. So keep that in mind that it only covers the face. So basically everything in the front. So once you have it aligned everywhere, we're going to start tacking it down. So to tack it down, just apply tack solution underneath. Have it aligned once more. Make sure everything is aligned. Once we have it aligned, and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film, grab your squeegee, hold the film with one hand, and with your other hand start tacking it down slowly. Make sure to help it tack down, remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film. Slowly work your way throughout the entire film, tacking down everything and removing all of the solution. The last thing to do would be to post heat everything. So we would post heat this lens and post heat this one. Okay, so once we're done with the installation, the last thing to do would be to post heat. So you're going to need your tack solution and just spray it all throughout the entire lens. Okay, and we're going to use a heat device. You can use a heat gun or a hair dryer. Use the lowest setting on your device and apply heat evenly throughout the entire lens. That way we help the adhesive activate faster, and also if the film is lifting around the edges or if we have any fingers anywhere on the tint, we could help them tack down and remove the fingers. And then we're going to use a clean microfiber towel to help tack down the film and remove those fingers that we have. So take your time applying heat, make sure you apply it evenly, and then once you're done with the step, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Hyundai Ioniq 9. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing your upcoming installation videos. And also don't forget to check out our other kits for the Ioniq 9. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.